Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check out the events and how if you want to create a new events or if you want to view your created events, you can also do that. So what we have to do simply we need to go to the event section, and after going to the event section, as you can see, you will be able to see your all events here. If you want to create a new one, you can also do that. You have to click on the create new event, new private or new open event. I'm going to click on the new open event. And after clicking on the new open event, as you can see now, simply we need to choose the cover. After choosing the cover, we have to provide the event name. And after providing the event name, we need to provide the location and the start date and the end date and the all date time. You have to choose that. We need to provide the description and the reminder, repeat, and also post your timeline. All posts must be approved by me. And after that, you need to hit the create event. And after clicking on the create event, that event will be created. So in this way, you can create your event. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create event and movie. So see you guys in the next video.